This is a test message of the Lewis and Clark Emergency Notification System. This is only a test. In the event of a real emergency, you will be given instructions to protect life and property. Attention, please. This is a test message of the Lewis and Clark Emergency.
Ooh, that was weird. Hopefully my phone didn't affect it. I was just trying to record it. But at least I'll get one going off, if not both. Kind of scared me at first, but I know it's gonna go off. Might be a little loud, so be forewarned, guys. I might scream a little bit. But I like to give you siren videos. This is my risk to you guys. For my siren fans. So hopefully it should... Whoa, that's loud. Well, I guess that one has a glitch to it, maybe. Unless I affected it. But it usually just goes off for 30 minutes to a minute. And that's the other one at the beginning of the campus, the main building that I filmed all the time. I filmed this one all the time too. But well, you can hear both of them going off. And varying from the wind direction, you can hear it clear as a bell from my work at DT. But I hope you enjoyed this video. That's the siren test, and I finally got it. Yay! Well, this is the first of the year for me because it never went off March. I don't know, probably a glitch or something came up. But I hope you enjoyed that video. This is Marie Stick. Peace out.